Hi, it's Abbas here with a quick demo of niche genetics. Getting started is easy. Just log into the members area via any browser and you're in. The process starts with a single keyword of your choice or by using the niche discovery feature. Niche discovery is continuously updated with niches and keywords ready for you to exploit. For this demo, I'll enter a keyword. Let's search for SEO. Now if the keyword has already been researched by niche genetics like SEO has, then the data will be pulled directly from our database instantly. Otherwise, the process should take about a minute to complete. As you can see, niche genetics shows a summary of the keyword, giving you a snapshot of everything that will go into dominating your niche. You will see long tail keywords, including search volume and CPC, related keyword terms that Google is associating with your niche, categories, micro niches and keyword group ideas, a list of popular related how-to topics that customers are searching for, and a lot more. We'll actually come back to take a look at more of the analysis tools in more detail later in this demo. But the first thing I like to do when targeting a keyword is to find out who the competition is and what they're doing to rank. Then we can determine how easy or difficult it will be to break into Google's top 10 results. Niche genetics does all this for you. At the top of each screen, niche genetics will display the following: whether ranking for a keyword in Google will be feasible. It's a simple color-coded scoring system taking into account multiple on-site and off-site factors and metrics. It's a quick, easy way to assess the overall competition. Then it shows you how valuable a keyword is to Google. By providing the actual CPC, cost per click, this gives you an easy way to grade keywords that will earn you residual income via AdSense. How many other types are competing on Google for the various types of searches, in broad, in quotes, and all in title? This is valuable information for you that I explain why in our training. Then it will even show you how much traffic you can expect from each keyword, so you can quickly identify which ones are worth ranking for. Niche genetics analyzes several factors, including metrics from trusted sources such as Moz.com and Majestic SEO when calculating the difficulty score. You will also be able to see various domain and page authority scores, along with the various trust flow and backlink counts for the top 10 ranking sites in Google. This information will tell you which keywords are worth targeting before you even start doing anything. Okay, moving on. Let's take a closer look at the actual organic competitors for SEO. Just click the View Full Report button near any section, and a new page with all the data available for that module will open. In the organic competitor screen, we can see what Google likes about the top 10 ranking sites, what it's looking for when ranking sites, and then how we can duplicate what they do to make Google happy, so they will rank our own sites on page 1. In this table, we see the top 10 ranking sites in Google for our keyword, and next to each site, we see information about what's influencing Google to rank them. This information gives us insight on how they are ranking and what they are doing to optimize both on-site and off-site, saving you tons of research. Here we can see if sites are using the keyword in their title, URL, or as one of their headings. Also the word count for each site, telling us how much content is on each one. And we also get the domain and page authority along with the trust flow and difficulty score for each site that's ranking. If you want to take a closer look at any one of the sites, then simply click on it and a new browser will open and load the site for you. Just below this table, you get the details of all the top 10 all-in title competitors as well as the titles they are using. I can easily export this data to a CSV file, and then I'll show you how we can get even more information about the sites and why they rank so well. On the CSV file, we can see all the information we saw before, plus much more. Now we can see the actual meta descriptions and keywords that the top 10 sites are using for optimization. We can also see the actual headings that they are using to rank. This information tells us how these sites that are already ranking on page 1 of Google are optimizing both on-site and off. And because this is already working on Google to rank our competitors, we can now do exactly the same thing, leaving nothing to chance. Niche genetics will also show sites that are paying Google for sponsored AdWord placements. If AdWords are found for the keyword, then you will see the actual titles and descriptions being used for the live ads, along with the destination URLs. This data provides invaluable insights into competitor ad campaigns. If you're doing PPC on Google, you can use this data to optimize your own ads. The titles and descriptions also provide new keyword opportunities that you can use for targeting and increasing traffic. This is another area we cover in our training. Now let's take a closer look at how niche genetics finds profitable keywords that you can easily rank for, providing data and insights that you will need if you want to rank on page 1. Let's start with LSI key terms. Here you can see a list of common words being used by the top 10 sites. Niche Genetics has scanned each site and then cross-referenced the content to reveal these important terms known as LSI terms. To rank on page 1 of Google, you need to pay close attention to LSI terms and ensure that you use them in your content. Now let's take a closer look at how easy Niche Genetics finds laser-targeted long-tail keywords for you. On this screen, we can see the long-tail keywords found for SEO. We can see the monthly search volume associated with each one, the CPC, as well as the total number of competing sites on Google. This table is easily sortable so that you can pick the winning keywords to target quickly. Now let's head back over to the summary screen to explore some of the other features. Let's take a look at questions. Here you can see the top questions for the searched for keyword. These are questions that customers and prospects are asking and searching for. Try to cover them in your content. Back at the summary screen, you can see that Niche Genetics also provides you with the top how-to topics for your niche, as well as hot and rising related trends. It even checks Amazon to let you know what type of products, if any, are being sold in that niche. If the summary screen has sections with no data, simply click Get Data and Niche Genetics will go and fetch the information for you in a few moments. Niche Genetics also provides an extensive list of keyword suggestions currently being searched for by your customers, a list of potential categories and micro niches that you can easily group and sort your keywords into, the tags currently being used by the top 10 ranking sites, and absolutely everything you need to dominate your niche on Google. Niche Genetics covers a lot, and to save your data locally, you can download the parts you want or everything in one file. It's entirely up to you. And to start over, just search again and enter a new keyword, or select a keyword you previously searched for, or use the discovery feature to find new keywords and niches to exploit. As you can see, Niche Genetics is so easy to use, anyone can maximize their search traffic, even complete newbies. You get complete training, and remember, there's absolutely no risk with our guarantee, so get Niche Genetics today. Thanks for checking out the demo.